Okay, this is a problem that reminds me of one from the first week of this year's Barvember. If I remember, I will try and link to it in the description, which tells me that I am probably going to answer it slightly differently from White Rose Maths, because if I recall correctly, I drew it a different way. It was the one with the small, medium, and large boxes, but this looks very, very similar. So I have a feeling, well, I'm going to draw it the way that makes sense to me. Okay, George has some 50p, £1 and £2 coins in his money box. 25% of the coins are 50p coins. He has 5 times as many £1 coins as £2 coins, and the total amount of money in the money box is 264. And we're asked how many £1 coins are in the money box. Okay, well, what am I going to start with? I am going to draw a representation for each of the coins. So we're going to do this, and I'm actually going to put that I'm doing 0.5 as opposed to 50p. The explanation for that will become clear, I hope, soon. I'm then also going to have the £1, okay, and then the £2. Okay, so where am I going to start? Well, I'm not going to start here because I don't know. I don't have 25% of what. I don't have enough information yet, because I have an amount of money here. I don't have the number of coins, so I can't deal with that yet. But this looks like a good place to start because he has 5 times as many £1 coins as £2 coins. So I am going to represent 5 £1 coins. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'll start here actually, is I'm going to use a single part, a single square here to represent one £1 coin. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all right. So this represents a coin, but it also represents its value. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. You'll understand when I do the £2 coins. So it says 5 times as many £1 coins as £2 coins, which means I'm going to have one £2 coin. However, I'm not going to draw it like this, just draw a single square. I am going to draw my £2 coin like this. Okay, so I'm representing the number of coins and the value of coin in the same model. All right, so this is one £2 coin. Okay, and if I had two £2 coins, I would represent another one here and so on. Okay, so now I need to figure out my 50p coins. Well, I'm told that 25%, a quarter of the coins, are 50p coins. Well, how many coins have I got so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, well, that's fairly simple. And I don't really need to model it out, but I will. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And now I'm just dealing with numbers of coins. I'm not concerned with the value. Okay. And 6 parts represents 3 quarters. And if that's the case, I think you can see that this must be 1 quarter. This is the second quarter. And here is the third quarter. So the fourth quarter must be here. Okay. This is the 1 quarter, 25%. Okay, those are the 50p's. Okay, so I know, what does that tell me? I have got 2 50p coins in this set, the way that I've drawn it. Okay, so I'm going to draw 2 50p coins, and following on from what I've done here, where this whole thing represents 1, now you'll see why I decided to say that it was 0.5 of a pound, because I'm using half of a square here to represent a 50p coin. And I've got 2 coins, so I'm going to draw 2. Okay? All right. else do we know? Well, we know that the total amount of money in the money box, okay, there we go, is 264. 264. I should have put my, oh, I'll be good and put my pound sign. There we go. Right, now what can we do? Well, we can see what value this set has. Okay, so these two 50p coins make 1. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. Okay, so there's £8 in this one set. So if I divide 264 by 8, we get 33. Okay, so that tells me that we have 33 sets like this, just as in any ratio problem. So 33 sets. Okay, and how does that help me? Well, now we're asked how many £1 coins there are in the money box. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one set. I've got 33 sets, so I need 33 times 5. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 15 again, and 16. So that's 165. So that's my answer. How many £1 coins are in the money box? 165. That's my answer. That's my method, and I'm sticking with it. Thank you very much.